Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn about how to format number properly using toFixed method and parseFloat method in JavaScript. Well, these two methods are essential when working with prices, scores or measurements. So, we will explain that how to round numbers, format currency and safely convert string back to number. Perfect? So, let's dive in. So let's start with toFixed, right? ToFixed and F should be in the capital letter, right? So let's say that I'm having a pi equals to 3.1 random any number 1 4 and some numbers like this, right? And I want to fix it only to up to two decimal places, that is 1 4, right? So what I will do, I will write fixed. Okay, let me first give let fixed pi equals to, now write the name of the variable that is holding the value, that is pi dot to fixed, then put a bracket here and write the numbers up to which you want the decimal place to be, right? I want two numbers, right? So now if I print this fixed pi, that is console.log, and I will write fixed pi, right? Now if I go to my console, let's see that what I'm going to get. You can see 3.14, only two number is there, right? So this fixed pi is having the number up to two decimal places. Now what if I have 145634? In that case what I will get, I will get 3.15. Why it happened? Well, your two fixed rounds off the numbers also, right? Since you are asking for two numbers up to decimal, like, so it was having 1 4, and after this 4 there is 5, and if the number is 5 or greater than 5, the number get rounded off to the upper side, right? So this 4 is converted into 5 now. That's why I'm getting 3.15, right? So I hope you understood the concept. Now one more thing and very important, which you need to understand, is that your fixed pi changes number to string, right? So this is also you need to understand that this, or that whatever the result you will get, that will in the form of string. Fine, if I write type of, fixed, you can see it is showing me string. I'm getting a string, right? So this is the problem with fixed pi. Now let's come to the next part. So in second I'm going to use what, I'm going to use the parseFloat, right? So parseFloat method, in which f should be in the capital letter, right? Okay, fine. What parseFloat does? Well, parseFloat is used to convert a string into a floating point number, right? Let's say I'm having let str equals to some string which is having a number like 3 point anything 23546. What is this? It is actually a string. It is actually a string, right? But I want to convert into a number and apply the operations on it, right? So for that what I can do, let num, I'm having this num earlier, no, okay, number equals to, you will do what, you will simply write parse float and then put a bracket, and inside this you will get your give your string, that is str, right? Now when you print it, console.log and str, if you go to your console, you can see I'm getting a number this time, 3.235446, right? So this got, okay, sorry, not str, it should be number. That's why I was thinking. You can see I'm getting a number this time. Earlier I was getting a string, right? So uh, this is about the parseFloat. What it does, this convert this string into a number, right? Now you need to add here also, because I'm going to explain you later that what is the main game rule change with the help of this changing number to string and changing string to number, right? So if I use both together in that particular example, let's say that let original equals to some number that is 7 point something, right? And I want to get it rounded, so let rounded equals to parseFloat bracket original and dot to fixed, and then put a bracket here and up to two numbers, like this, right? And if I write console dot log bracket rounded, in that particular case what I will get the rounded of number. This is a number, you can see the violet color, right? So what is the meaning of this particular example? Well, originally I was having a original variable which is having a number, right? Now inside this rounded variable there is something line of code which is running. So let's go inside the bracket first. It is doing what? It is fixing the number up to two decimal places. It means it has converted this 7.3423 into 7.3423, right? Okay, let me do one thing, take it to the another line, right? It will convert it into 7.34, you know this, right? 7.34, but in the form of a string. I told you earlier that your toFixed changes the number to a string, right? So it has changed this number to the string, and to convert it into a number, for that we use the parseFloat. That's why we had put this parseFloat outside this bracket. Now what you are getting is a rounded of number, understand? Now you are getting a number. Now you can apply whatever the operation you want. If I write rounded plus rounded, I will get the double of that. Why it is happening? Because it is a number data type, not a string. Fine. If you don't use this parseFloat, in that particular case, you can see I will have only 7.34 and then 7.34, like this. I will not have any operation on this particular variable, right? So this is how you do your task with the help of parseFloat and toFixed in JavaScript. I hope you understood this concept very clearly. If you do, then make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. This is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.